You've seen them, those short clips that make you stare. A knife slices, a perfect crisp sound, the camera pulls in, and you have to watch again. This kind of videos are generating millions of views on TikTok and on YouTube Shorts. What if I told you you can make those videos without a camera, without a microphone, and without ever cutting anything physically? That's what we're doing today. I'll walk you through the exact workflow, the prompts I use, the sound recipes, and the credit-saving tricks so you can make dozens of these in a single afternoon. Before we dive into the video, kindly support this channel by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my future contents. Let's go straight to today's video. Let me tell you why this works. ASMR cutting videos are short, visual, and sound-driven. They loop well. They trigger curiosity and replay. AI lets you create impossible objects like crystal cake, galaxy jelly, and match crisp, satisfying audio to motion, the combo that hooks viewers. Our goal is to generate a short 6 to 15 seconds, ultra-crisp cutting clip that's loopable, sounds perfect, and looks cinematic. We'll be using OpenArt, an all-in-one AI platform that includes multiple cutting-edge video models like VO3, 2.1 version of Kling AI, Runway, Hailuo Live, and so on. It can create both the visuals and the sound in a single render. Here's the secret. AI isn't magic, it's precise instructions. The biggest mistake beginners make is typing something like, a glass apple being sliced in half. That's way too vague. Instead, visualize your video first, the object, the camera angle, the lighting, the movement, then describe it all in the prompt. Example structure. Object and material. A crystal clear glass apple. Action. A sharp silver knife slices straight through the center. Details. White smoke mist swirls out as the cut completes. Camera. Macro close-up shot. Cinematic depth of field. Lighting. Soft, glowing highlights with warm tones. Audio. Crisp, satisfying slicing sound. The more specific you are, the closer you get to viral quality results. Before going full video mode, generate a still image first. Because tweaking a single image costs fewer credits than regenerating a whole video. Using TechSimple means OpenArt is generating everything for you, using your detailed prompt. While with the image, you can just upload your image, add your prompt, and OpenArt will animate your image based on your prompt. To get started, go to Generate Video. Select VO3. Here I want to use the text to video. Paste your detailed prompt. Go over to Settings. Turn on the audio if need you sounds on your video. Turning it off will actually save your credits. But keep it in mind that sound is what will actually keep your viewers watching. Resolution you can leave it at 720p. Video mode if I leave it at fast, I will be charged 1500 credits. But I select normal, I will be charged 2500 credits. Now hit on Create to start generating. In seconds, you've got an ultra-realistic ASMR cutting clip. If you're building a whole channel, stick to its signature style. Same lighting mood. Similar background tones. Consistent cutting speed and camera angle. This way, your videos feel part of the same satisfying universe, which helps binge watch time skyrocket. Export in high quality, 4K if possible. When uploading, use curiosity-driven titles. This AI cutting video broke my brain. Pair with looping background music if you want extra engagement on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. And that's it. Your first AI ASMR cutting video is ready to hypnotize the internet. If you want me to share my exact viral prompt bank, hit subscribe and I'll drop it in the next video.